Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to my beautiful rideshare revolutionaries. It's me, Gio, and yeah, y'all know who the fuck it is. All right, I figured that now would be the best time to give you guys an update on my Uber stock. I made a community post last week about it. I got the $1,000 quote unquote appreciation bonus, right? And I figured this will be, I've never invested into the market before. I've never, I always thought investing in the market was kind of like gambling. And now, from what I understand, it kind of is. If you're, because you're only really going to make money in the market if it's a long-term thing, or if you're like day trading, and that's when you're playing around with, $50,000 worth of stocks. Excuse me, my throat's very dry. And I couldn't help but notice some of the other YouTubers were kind of celebrating Uber's stock not doing well last week or earlier this week too. So this is how it currently looks. My plan for the Uber stock is I put the $990, or I think I put $1,000. Yeah, I think I put $1,000. I think I put all of it into the app, right? I bought $990 worth of Uber stock, and then I got 2 free shares of something else. One for signing up and one for signing up a buddy of mine. But this is how the Uber stock looks right now. As you guys can see, it had an incline. It went up in price and value the day the IPO hit, and then it took a very sharp decline. Took a bit of a nosedive on Monday, and now it's starting to come back. So it's only been the Uber stock has only been out there for less than a week, but it's kind of lingering around where it's been for. It's kind of lingering to where it came back. I have no plans to do anything with the stock. I'm literally just gonna sit and just see what happens. I know this might sound like a bit of a douchey statement, which I mean, I make many of them. And I apologize for filming this one in portrait mode, but it looked like shit on landscape. So I decided that I'm just gonna let this thing just, it's $1,000. I'm not gonna miss it. Anything more than that, I might miss, but it's $1,000 I got from Uber. Potentially, if the stock goes up to $60 a share, I'm seeing a substantial profit. If it goes up more, even better. But I don't really care if I just leave this untouched for 3, 4, 5 years. It doesn't affect me. I don't need money like that, right? So this is just how the stock's currently doing right now. It looks like it's, where's the price right now? Okay, so the initial public offering was at $42. Now at $42 even. Now it's at $42.77 a share. So I'm doing well. I'm up a whole, it's not even one, what is it? 1% would be what, 40 cents? So it's up nearly 2% right now. Yay. Money. Oh, it is up 2%. So yeah, that's what the Robinhood app looks like. I'm going to leave my referral code if you guys want to play around with any stocks. If you sign up, you get a free stock. I get a free stock. It's random. It's kind of like a slot machine when it shows up. It's pretty cool though. And this is how the amateur squad's doing. Let's go check on the amateur squad. The amateur squad is down. Amateur squad is amateur in real life, and they're amateur in the stock exchange. So they're down 36% in the last 3 months. In the last month and a half, they've been offered. yeah, I don't know what they're doing wrong compared to Uber, or why investors have more faith. You know, why the markets have more faith in Uber than Lyft. I really don't know. That's not a conversation for me to have. All I know is as of right now, I made the wise choice to not invest in Lyft and to take my money and invest in Uber. So, pretty excited about that. Hopefully, anyone else out there investing is doing well. But yeah, that's where I'm currently looking at. So again, anyone want to try this out? I'm gonna leave my referral link in the bottom in the description. Happy investing, guys. Everyone. I want to thank you all for watching. Everyone, please stay safe, stay driven, stay